As exciting as our little 1x1 widget is, it just isn't enough room to show everything you might want. The ability to resize widgets gives you the flexibility to share almost all of your code, yet give users the flexibility to choose how much space they want your widget to take up. Remember our design in the beginning? A 2x1 widget will give our icon the full height, and we'll use the same styling as the list items within Sunshine for the high and low temperature. For wider widgets, we'll show the description of the weather as well. Since we'll be sharing as much code as we can, make sure common elements, like the image and high temperature text, use the same IDs across all three layouts. So how do we know what layout to use? On Android 4 and lower devices, we know the size will always be our default size, but on Android 4.1 and higher devices, we'll take advantage of a new method added to App Widget Manager, Get App Widget Options. This takes a widget ID and returns a bundle, which contains information such as the current size of that widget in DP. With that information, we can easily switch between layouts by comparing the widget's width to specific values, denoting the breakpoints between our layouts. In fact, we can use two new attributes added to App Widget Provider Info, min resize height and min resize width. These let you set a minimum size that's smaller than the default size. With this, we can make our default the 2x1 widget and allow users to resize down to a 1x1 if they're crunched for space. This is great for ensuring that you put the best experience forward while maintaining flexibility. We'll also add one more method to our App Widget Provider, onAppWidgetOptionsChanged. This is called whenever the size of the widget is changed. In our case, similar to our onReceive and onUpdate method, we'll start the intent service to refresh our widget.